What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been at my home for about 3 years now, and when we first built this house, my plan was always to build a shop in the back on the property somewhere. Well, that's finally coming true. We've already cleared out the property right here. This used to have all trees for the shop. We've already dug out most of the logs and the roots, which I've been burning right here. But this is a pretty big spread right here where the shop is going to go. It's going to be going right here from my driveway all the way here, which it'll start at this pink line. You can see it right here. It's kind of all falling apart where we marked it out just because we've been clearing more stuff and people have been trampling over it and whatnot like that. But it's basically from my driveway all the way over here. We pushed it back 88 feet, the shop. So I'm gonna have another 88 foot driveway coming here so I can park more cars, and then I'm gonna have a big pad right around here to be able to turn around, because when friends come over, that's the biggest problem I've seen so far, where the friends come over and they go, hey, how do I reverse? And they can't reverse out, or it gets too packed, it gets too jammed. If I have a turnaround right here, that way everyone come up right in front of the shop, turn around, and then point themselves right back through the exit, so everyone's lined up, they can all just jet out that way. So this is going to be the future spot for it. It's going to be a 40 by 46 shop with 12-foot walls. I wanted to go bigger. My original plan was to go 40 by 60, which is the max for my neighborhood of a shop. But going back and forth with HOA, they basically said that your shop dictates on how big your house is, and right now I don't have enough square footage on the house covered to get a 40 by 60. If y'all looked at my old videos, I have this deck right here. They said if I did cover the whole deck, which is another 900 square feet, if I cover the whole deck up, then I would be able to do my 40 by 60. You look at the cost, and it's like, you know what, by the time you cover the deck, that's going to be another charge, and then you can build a bigger one, which is going to be more money too. So it didn't look reasonable. So what my plan is to do is build the shop right here, 40 by 60, and then my plan is to do a 20-foot covering in the front, 20 foot back this way, so that way I could park some stuff. It'll be outside, but it'll be covered underneath the building. So that's my plan. I don't know if I'll be able to do it right when the building gets built, but that's the plan, where I'll be able to go and put that in there, so that way, I'll be able to park more cars, because that's the goal, is to park. I have a lot of cars, a lot of projects. That's the goal, is to be able to park cars there. Or if I need to pull them out of the shop, I can park them underneath the canopy area, and that way they're not getting rained on, things like that. So that's the plan for that. Again, we've already cleared it out and got all the trees out and everything like that. The next step to this building is dirt work, and I've already talked to the people. I think they're gonna be coming this week, which we'll cut to that when they get here. They're gonna be bringing in, since my property is a slope going down, they said they're gonna be needing 70 truckloads of clay dirt, which is a lot to me. That's a lot. That seems like a lot, but by the time you get past to this tree, you're already from the driveway here. By the time you get to that tree, you're already like 10 feet down from grade. So it is a lot of dirt they're going to bring. Also, they're going to be picking up all this. This is it's soil, but some of it's sand. They're going to be cutting into it 2 feet deep into the sand and getting to clay, which is clay's usually 2 feet around where my on my property is. So they'll cut down the clay, then they'll put more clay on top. So they're going to regrade it. It's going to be basically flush with the driveway. I don't think I'm going to be putting in concrete just yet, because concrete's expensive, and I'm already doing a pad here, all that stuff. So later on I am going to do convert everything to concrete. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do crushed concrete for now, which that's what did at my house when I first got my house built. We did crushed concrete, and then we had that for a while, and then we ended up going with asphalt, which was pretty cheap. I got a good deal on that last time I did asphalt. So I could do asphalt or I could do concrete, but basically slowly I'll start converting from the crushed concrete to concrete or asphalt, one or the other. So yeah, that's the building will be coming right here. Basically, if you want to see right here, there's a hole that I dug for the for one of the roots, but it's right here, and it's gonna go all the way down all the way down. It's going to end somewhere right around in this area right here. 40 by 60 right here in the shop. 12-foot walls. There is one stump that I didn't get out right here. I'll have those the guys that's going to be clearing it and getting the land prepped to go and take that one out, because it is going to be right there by it. But yeah, that's going to be it. I'll cut to when they I'm basically doing this just in case they get here. I think they might be here tomorrow, so I'll cut to that once they start, you know, clearing, and we'll keep you up to date. This is the next project on the channel, next big project. I'm really excited to see it, you know, get built and have room for my cars. You know, I only have my 2-car garage now, so with this I'll have the shop. I can be able to fit you know, 8 cars, 6 cars, and then I'll have my 2-car garage in the front also, so I'll have room for every car that we have here on the property. So that'll be it. We'll cut to when they start clearing and grading the progress, and we'll get that all in this one video right here. So we'll see y'all guys when they come. They've already cut through and cleared the area of where the shop's gonna be. It's gonna be all right here. It's like a perfect spot for a swimming pool. So they already cut down most of the sand that we have here. They're already out to clay. The next step would be to get dirt, and the dirt is coming in a couple days. They want it to dry out just a little bit. It's not really wet, just a little moist. So and they can't get dirt tomorrow anyway, so what they're gonna do is wait a day, so not tomorrow but the next day they're gonna bring in the dirt, and from what I know is we're supposed to be getting 70 truckloads to fill this up and build it up in the back for the shop. So they've already dropped off all the rebar and the forms for the foundation. There's other forms, some more rebar over there. They made some little sawhorses here so they can cut these forms up and make it. But here's another view of it. It's about 88 feet from there all the way over here. I asked about all this dirt, what we're gonna do with this dirt, and he was saying pretty much that by the time you get this level to it, you're not gonna be far from that dirt up on top. So the building's gonna probably be right where this dirt mound is at. They're gonna kind of make it level again. So where you see that dirt, that's where they're gonna make it level at, because that's the level of the slope in the ground and of the property. So yeah. Looks like we got one log here, which is fine. We'll go ahead and move this out. I guess we had one log that they didn't pull out when they cleared it out. But other than that, I mean, it's just little vegetation, you know, roots and whatnot. Go through here and pick through here, and basically just gonna make a big old bonfire for it, and burn all that away. But it's looking good. We'll catch y'all guys on Thursday when they bring in the dirt. All right, see y'all then. 70 loads of dirt right there. It's pretty leveled out, it's pretty high up. If you go all the way to the back, it's like about 6 feet high off the ground, off the natural elevation of the property since it goes down the back. But right now they're gonna be doing the forms. That's gonna be another video, guys. They should be doing forms pretty soon, and then concrete. That's where I'll give y'all guys an update on it. But that's it for this video. We'll see y'all guys on the next one.